In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your microphone in Google Meet, ensuring that your audio device is set up correctly for those important online meetings. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, locate the Google Apps icon. This is typically represented by a grid of dots at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with all of Google's various services. In this menu, go ahead and click on Meet. This will direct you to the Google Meet homepage where you can start setting up your meeting. On this page, look for the New Meeting button. Click on it and several options will pop up. Here, you'll select Start an Instant Meeting. This will create a new meeting room for you instantaneously, which is perfect for performing a quick microphone test. Now that you're in the meeting room, you'll notice a set of icons at the bottom of your screen. Find the one that looks like a gear. This is your Settings button, where you can adjust various options for your meeting. Click on it, and then navigate to the Audio section. In this part of the settings, you'll see several options related to your microphone and speakers. Focus on the microphone option. Google Meet will display a list of available microphones connected to your device. If you have multiple devices connected, such as a built-in microphone and an external one, you'll need to select the correct one for optimal sound quality. Click on the microphone option that you prefer. For example, if you're using an external microphone like a Razer USB sound card, make sure it's chosen from the drop-down list. After selecting your desired microphone, it's time to test it. While speaking into your microphone, observe the bar beside the microphone icon. This bar acts as a visual indicator of sound detection. If it moves while you're talking, congratulations, your microphone is working properly.